కృష్ణ చూడమ్మ ఒకసారి స్టార్ట్ అయిందా? స్టార్ట్ అయిందా క్లాస్ ఒకసారి చూడమ్మ. ఓకే ఓకే కృష్ణ. యా హలో స్టూడెంట్స్. స్టార్ట్ అయిందా? స్టార్ట్ అయిందా క్లాస్ ఒకసారి చూడమ్మ. Yes, sir. Started. Okay. Yeah. Hello, students. Let us discuss the questions on ellipse today. Yeah. Hello, students. Because already in the last class we have discussed the concepts. Already we have discussed ellipse. Okay, let us see the questions now. Question number 1. If the distance between the foci of an ellipse is 6 and the distance between its directrix is 12, then the length of its lattice rectum is. If the distance between the foci of an ellipse is 6 and the distance between its directrix is 12, then the length of its lattice rectum. This is Mains 2021 question. Okay, this is Mains 2021 question. So here what they have given, 2AE is given. This one, foci 2AE, which is equals to how much? 6. And one more what they given, distance between its directrix is 12. Distance between directrix is 2A over E. This is 12. So these two already given. 2AE equal to 6 and 2A over E is equals to 12. Then length of its lattice rectum. What they are asking? Length of its lattice rectum they are asking. Okay now. Length of the lattice rectum they are asking. What is the formula for length of the lattice rectum? Length of the lattice rectum formula is 2B square over A. Yes or no? Length of the lattice rectum formula is 2B square over A. First let us calculate. You see here from this we can get AE which is equals to 3, and from this we can get A over E which is equals to 6. So AE equals to 3 and A is equals to 6. So here we can write A is equals to 6 times E. Then 6 times E into E which is equals to 3. Then 6 times E square which is equals to 3. Then E square is equals to 3 over 6, that is equals to 1 over 2. Then E is equals to plus or minus 1 over square root of 2. This is the value of eccentricity. Alright. Now the length of the lattice rectum. Length of the lattice rectum formula is 2 times B square over A. Length of the lattice rectum formula is 2 times B square over A. But here you see we got only, what we got here? We got only E value. Then let us try to calculate A value from this. You see here A is equals to 6 times E. So A is equals to 6 times 1 by square root of 2. We can get this 6 times square root of 2 divided by 2. This is 3 times square root of 2. This is A value. The value of A is 3 times square root of 2. And here B value also required. How do we calculate B value? What is the relation between A and B here? B square is equals to A square times 1 minus E square. So B square is equals to A square. What is A square here? 9 times 2, that is 18. 18 times 1 minus E square, that is 1 by 2. Okay, E square value 1 by 2. So if we simplify this, 18 times 1 negative 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2, which is equals to 9. So the value of B square is 9. Then if you find out length of the lattice rectum, 2 times B square, that is 2 times 9, whole divided by A, that is 3 times square root of 2. Then what do we get? 3 1s are 3 3s are, then 6 over root 2 we can get. It is nothing but 6 times root 2 divided by 2, that is 3 times square root of 2. So length of the lattice rectum is equals to 3 times square root of 2. Length of the lattice rectum is equals to 3 times square root of 2. Okay, let us see the question number 2. If the coordinates of 2 points A and B are square root of 7, 0 and negative square root of 7, 0 respectively, and P is any point on the conic 9x square plus 16y square equal to 144, then PA plus PB is equal to. So here what they are saying, if the coordinates of 2 points A and B are square root of 7, 0 and negative square root of 7, 0. Let us say A is a square root of 7, 0 they have given. Let us take it as S1. And B is a negative square root of 7, 0 is given. Let us take it as S2. Let us take it as S2. And what they are asking us, PA plus PB value they are asking. PA plus PB is equals to how much? PA is nothing but PS1 and PB is nothing but PS2. So PS1 plus PS2 we have to calculate here. And let us see what is the given ellipse here. Given ellipse is a 9x square plus 16y square, which is equal to 144. So first try to write it in the standard form. Then 9x square divided by 144 plus 16y square divided by 144, which is equals to 144. Then it is x square over 16 plus y square over 9, which is equals to 1. Then here A is greater than B. When A is here A is greater than B, right? A value 4 and B value 3, and A is greater than B here. Then you can see here they're asking us to calculate PS1 plus PS2. This PS1 plus PS2 is nothing but a distance between foci. So here it is PS1 plus PS2. A greater than B means what, sir? It's a horizontal, right? Horizontal ellipse. For horizontal ellipse, PS1 plus PS2 will become 2A. So here 2 times the value of A is 4, and then 2 times 4 is 8. So PS1 plus PS2 is 8. Clear? Next, question number 2. Let x square over A square plus y square over B square equal to 1, where A greater than B, be the given ellipse, length of whose lattice rectum is 10, its eccentricity is maximum value of the function. Okay, pi of t is equals to 5 over 12 plus a t minus t square. Then A square plus B square is equals to. So here x square over a square plus y square over b square is equals to 1, where a is greater than b, be a given ellipse. So let us take the given ellipse here. X square over a square plus y square over b square, which is equals to 1. This is the given ellipse. Length of whose lattice rectum? Length of whose lattice rectum is how much, sir? A greater than b means it's a horizontal ellipse. And they have given length of its lattice rectum is 10. Length of its lattice rectum. What is the formula for length of the lattice rectum for horizontal ellipse? 2b square over a, that is 10. 2b square over a, that is 10. So here we are getting b square is equals to 5a. We are getting b square is equals to 5a. Then if b square is equals to 5a, if b square is equals to 5a, if its eccentricity is maximum value of the function. So here what is the function? Pi of t is the function. What is pi of t? 5 divided by 12 plus t minus t square. This is pi of t. Its maximum value we have to calculate. Then differentiate with respect to t. If we differentiate it with respect to t, we can get pi dash of t, which is equals to 0 plus 1 minus 2t. So pi dash of t is equals to 1 minus 2t. To get the maximum value, we have to take pi dash of t is equals to 0. That is 1 minus 2t equal to 0. Then t is equals to 1 by 2. So the maximum value, of pi of t at t is equals to 1 by 2 is pi of 1 by 2 is equals to 5 over 12 plus 1 over 2 minus 1 over 4. That is 5 over 12 plus 1 over 4. This is what, sir? 12 is the LCM. 8 over 12. It is nothing but 2 over 3. So this is eccentricity, it seems. Eccentricity is equals to 2 over 3. Eccentricity is equals to 2 over 3. Now, what they are asking us, then a square plus b square value how much? So, if we see the relation between a and b, b square is equals to a square times 1 minus e square. Yes or no? B square is equals to a square times 1 minus e square. Okay, simplify now. 5a equal to a square times 1 minus e square. That is 4 over 9. So we can get 9 minus 4, 5. 5a square over 9, which is equals to 5a. So from this what do we get? 9a equal to 5a square. Then we can get 5a minus 9 times a equal to 0. Then a equal to 9 divided by 5. This is the value of a. A is equals to 1 second. Here 5 and 5 gets cancelled, right? Only a square will left, means this is a. So what is the value of a? A is only 9. A value 9. When a value is 9, b square is equals to 5 times 9. That is 45. So they are asking us a square plus b square. Then a square plus b square is equals to 81 plus 45. This is 126. Okay, no? A square plus b square is equals to 126. If the point of intersection of, next question, if the point of intersections of the ellipse x square by 16 plus y square by b square equal to 1, and the circle x square plus y square equal to 4b, where b greater than 4, lie on the curve y square equal to 3x square. So this is given. Then what is the value of b? B value they are asking. So let us take the point of intersection of these two is x1 comma y1. Then these three equations will become x1 square by 16 plus y1 square by b square equal to 1. X1 square plus y1 square is equals to 4b. Y1 square is equals to 3x1 square. So if we try to simplify these two, what do we get? We can get x1 square plus 3x1 square is equals to 4b. From this 4x1 square is equals to 4b. Then we can get x1 square is equals to b. X1 square is equals to b. If x1 square is b, then y1 square is equals to 3 times x1. y1 square is equals to, here you see, y1 square is equals to 3 times x1 square. y1 square is equals to 3 times x1 square, that is equals to 3 times b. x1 square value is b, no? So we can get y1 square is equals to 3b. And let us try to substitute these values into the equation x1 square divided by 16 plus y1 square divided by b square equal to 1. We get x1 square divided by x1 square value. Let us try to substitute x1 square value here. x1 square value is b. b divided by 16 plus y1 square. What is y1 square here? y1 square is a 3b. 3b divided by b square, which is equals to 1. This implies b divided by 16 plus 3 divided by b, which is equals to 1. So we get b times b square plus 16 times 3, 30 to 48, which is equals to 16b. So that we can get b square minus 16b plus 48 equal to 0. Right? So this can be written as b square minus 12b minus 4b plus 48, which is equals to 0. Then b times b minus 12 minus 4 times b minus 12, which is equals to 0. Then we can get b minus 12 times b minus 4, which is equals to 0. So we get b equal to 12 and b is equals to 4. But here b is not equals to 4 because b must be greater than 4. So finally, what is the value of b? B value is 12. Finally, what is the value of b? B value is 12. Clear? Any questions on this? Okay, next question. Question number 5. If the point P on the curve 4x square plus 5y square equal to 20, if the point P on the curve 4x square plus 5y square equal to 20 is farthest from the point Q 0 comma minus 4, then what is PQ square? So here if the point P on the curve, so on this curve let us take the point P is, what is the general form of a point on the ellipse? We can take it as square root of 5 cos theta comma 2 sin theta. What is this? Parametric form, because this equation is nothing but 4x square divided by 20 plus 5y square divided by 20 is equals to 1. Then x square divided by 5 plus y square by 4 equal to 1. A is equals to square root of 5, b is equals to 2. b is equals to 2. So this is the parametric form, a cos theta comma b sin theta. Right? Let us try to calculate the distance between P and Q. That is PQ is equals to, anyway PQ square they are asking now, right? Directly PQ square is equals to x2 negative x1 whole square, that is 5 times cos square theta, plus y2 negative y1 whole square, that is 2 sin theta plus 4 whole square. So let us try to simplify this. 5 cos square theta plus 4 sin square theta plus 16 plus 16 sin theta. So here 5 cos square theta plus 4 sin square theta, this is nothing but cos square theta plus 4 plus 16 plus 16 sin theta. So cos square theta is 1 minus sin square theta, 4 plus 16 is 20, 20 plus 16 sin theta. So this is nothing but 21 minus of sin square theta minus 16 sin theta. This is equals to 21 minus sin square theta minus 16 sin theta, add 64 and subtract 64. So you get 21 plus 64, 65, 85 minus of sin theta minus 8 whole square. Sin theta minus 8 whole square. See here, farthest from the point. That means what? It should be maximum. PQ square must be maximum. Where it is maximum? At sin theta is equals to 1. At sin theta equal to 1, it is maximum. That is 85 minus 1 minus 8 whole square, which is implies 85 minus of 49. What is 85 minus 49? 35, 36. The final answer is 36. Clear to all? Okay. Then question number 6. Let E be the ellipse. X square by 16 plus y square by 9 equal to 1 for any 3 points. For any 3 distinct points P comma Q and Q dash. This is advanced question, sir. So let E be the ellipse. X square by 16 plus y square by 9 equal to 1 for any 3 distinct points P comma Q and Q prime on E. Let M be the midpoint of the line segment joining P and Q, and here it is M prime, and M prime be the midpoint of the line segment joining P and Q dash. Then the maximum possible value of the distance between M and M prime is what? Okay. See, first what they have given? They have given an ellipse. What is the given ellipse here? The given ellipse is x square by 16 plus y square by 9 equal to 1. Right? Here A is greater than B. So it's a horizontal ellipse. And here he is saying that what he is saying that P comma Q and Q prime. So let us take the point P here, and Q is here, Q prime is here, and PQ is connected, PQ prime is connected, QQ prime is connected, PQ midpoint is M, PQ prime midpoint is M prime. Okay, now this is M prime. So if we connect M and M prime, if we connect M and this is M prime, if we connect M and M prime, you see M is the point of PQ. M is the midpoint. M is the midpoint of M is the midpoint of PQ. M is the midpoint of PQ means, what do we get, students? If M is the midpoint of PQ means PM and PQ both are equal. PM and PQ both are equal. Here M dash is the midpoint of PQ dash. M dash is the midpoint of PQ dash. M dash is the midpoint of PQ dash means M dash is the midpoint of PQ dash. That means what? PM dash equals to M dash Q dash. PM dash is equals to PM dash is equals to M dash Q dash. Again disconnected. PM dash is equals to M dash and Q dash. So here M and M dash are the midpoints of the sides of a triangle. So M dash is connected. According to the midpoint theorem, this M dash is parallel to M dash parallel to the base Q dash, and M dash is also midpoint. M dash is also half of the distance of the base. What is the base here? Q and Q dash. What is the base here? Q and Q dash. Right, question number 6 we are discussing now. Again, I can draw the figure and I can show you. X square by 16 plus y square by 9 equal to 1. A is greater than B, horizontal ellipse. And they are saying that we have a point P here, point Q and Q dash, join PQ, PQ dash, and QQ dash also join. M is the midpoint of PQ, M dash is the midpoint of PQ dash, join M dash. By midpoint theorem, okay, by midpoint theorem, we can say that M dash is a half of QQ dash. M dash is half of QQ dash. But you see here, the maximum possible value. The maximum possible value means M dash maximum value we have to calculate. Maximum value of M dash is nothing but 1 by 2 times q dash maximum value. So here q is any point on the ellipse and q dash is also any point on the ellipse. If q moves to the horizontal line and q dash also move to the horizontal line, then we can say that q dash is the maximum one. Then we can say that q dash is maximum. We can get the maximum distance. We can get here, if we place q here and q dash here, then that q and q dash length will become maximum. But what is the length of q and q dash? The length of q and q dash is nothing but 2a. The length of q and q dash is nothing but 2a. So here 2 times 4, that is 8. So the maximum value of q dash is 8. Then the maximum value of m dash is what? 1 over 2 times 8, that is 4. The maximum value of m dash is 4. Okay, the answer is 4. Right. Next question, students. The ellipse even. The ellipse even x square over 9 plus y square over 4 equal to 1 is inscribed in a rectangle R whose sides are parallel to the coordinate axis. Another ellipse E2 passing through the point 0, 4 circumscribes the rectangle R. The eccentricity of the ellipse E2 is. Okay, so here we have two ellipses. First ellipse is E1. This ellipse E1 x square over 9 plus y square over 4 is equals to 1, which is inscribed in a rectangle. The rectangle will be like this. So draw the axis here, x axis and y axis. Here a greater than b, so horizontal this one. This ellipse is horizontal ellipse whose sides are parallel to the coordinate axis. Okay, and this is E1 here, and this is R. Another ellipse E2 passing through 0, 4 and circumscribes the rectangle. Okay, like this. Circumscribes the rectangle, right? This is E2. And it is also passing through the point 0, 4. It is also passing through the point 0, 4. So let us take the ellipse E2. Let us take the ellipse E2 is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equals to 1. But from the figure the value of b is 4. Then this ellipse will become x square by a square plus y square by b square, that is 4 square is equals to 1. So x square by a square plus y square by 16 is equals to 1. And you see, to get a value we have to use this inscribed ellipse and the rectangle. Inscribed ellipse x square by 9 plus y square by 4 is equals to 1. X square by 9, the value of a is 3. Y square by 4, the value of b is 2. So from the figure this value is 2 and this value is 3. Then this point will become 3, 2. Okay. Right. X square by a square plus y square by 16 is equals to 1. And here the point on the rectangle will become 3 comma 2. So this point is a 3 comma 2. This point is on the rectangle as well as this point is on the ellipse also. On this ellipse also that point is there. So try to substitute that point. X square by a square. X square by a square plus y square by 16 is equals to 1. So x square, that is 3 square divided by a square, y square, this is 2 square divided by 16 is equals to 1. Simplify now. 3 square is 9 by a square plus 4 by 16 is equals to 1. Right? 9 by a square is equals to 1 minus 1 by 4. 9 by a square is equals to 3 by 4. Then a square is equals to 9 into 4 divided by 3. So a square is equals to 3 times 4, that is 12. So we got a square value 12 and b square value how much? 16. Right? Then what is ellipse E2? X square over a square, that is 12. Y square over b square, that is 16, which is equals to 1. This is ellipse E2. Is it clear to all? Is this clear to all, friends? Okay, this last two questions, question number 6 and question number 7, both are advanced level questions, means previous year advanced questions. And questions 1 to 5. Questions 1 to 5 are the questions from JEE Mains 20 and 21 questions. JEE Mains 20 and 21 questions. Okay. And you see here Spark Academy Telegram link also given. You can join Spark Academy with the help of Telegram link. And here the result overview. This is the result overview of Spark Academy previous year students 2017. See 2017, this is the percentage of top 10 colleges, and here this is qualified or selected 72% in 2017, 2018 80%, 2019, 2020 and 2021. Okay, these are the statistics of Spark Academy EAMCET 2021. And next Spark Academy NEET 2021 results. These are the NEET results, right? Okay, subscribe our channel and press bell for notifications. Thank you all.